so we are replacing this old SG1 with a new one. It's been hit several times and it's out of date, and the manufacturer suggested a new one. So we are going to pull it off, and I'll unbox the new one and give you a little rundown on that. Okay, we are unboxing the Ascent X1 5G cell phone gate keypad. There's the power adapter, AC to DC, and it is 24 volt DC, 2 amps. We're going to actually pull power off the gate operator, which is 24 volts DC anyway. There she is. Here's your quick start and your keys, and a little screwdriver and some mounting hardware. This is nice. This is the newer one, I guess. You get the old one. So this is the old style. It's a lot narrower. This is the pinhole, well, a camera. The camera on this one is off to the side, and it's got some infrared LEDs kind of shine on your face a little bit better. This one, the old style, does not have any lights on the bottom, but the new one has some illumination lights, so it's a night light. Just kind of lights it up, shows you the way. On top is the 5G antenna. Open her up. Why do we have an extra use for Ascent link? This is your SIM card right here. Sierra Wireless. This is your power in, and this is your relay A. So it's got 2 relays, and then these are your WeGAN inputs. So if you have a card reader or a WeGAN receiver, clickers, that's where you would wire that in. So let's get it hooked up and see how it works. Boom, there it is. It's installed and powered up. We are live. Hello. It's got the night light underneath. So I forgot to mention this is the 5G antenna. So now we need to call tech support and get the SIM card activated. We'll be back. Alright, so we got a little welding repair and a Knox Keyswitch. It is 40 degrees and the wind is blowing like 40 miles an hour. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got another exciting unboxing event. It's a Knox Keyswitch from the Knox company. I know all y'all are excited with anticipation. It's the moment you've been waiting for. This is the Knox KS1. Make sure I'm telling you right. Part number 3502. There it is. Oops, sorry about that. You can order these right off the Knox website. This is part number 3502. You got to have your fire department, your local fire department code. You can just look it up on the website. And what this does is you can wire it into a gate operator, and the fire department has a key. These don't come with a key. Only the fire department has a key. And so this is normal operation and an emergency open. You stick the key in and turn it, and boom. So let's get to it. All right, so there it is, installed and hooked up, ready to go. On to the next one. Well, I thought we were done for today. Had one more service call come in, so Liftmaster LA400, let's take a look. So these are batteries I just took out, and it's like oozing something out of the top, and the batteries are hot to the touch. It is like 40 degrees outside. It says December 2020, so yeah, they're 6 years old, 5 years old. That's what happens. Yeah, so I got a little bit of that gel, or that clear mucus coming off of those batteries. Got it on my thumb and it just started stinging. I rubbed it off on my pants, it was burning. So I had to rub it off with some water, wash it with water. So yeah, I guess it's a gel battery. They'll still burn your skin. Be careful with those batteries. Call the professional.